let's unbox the first piece of merchandise that came in from bterrycustoms.com. Yes, it's finally official here in 2025. I've created my own website, which is bterrycustoms.com. On there, you're gonna find a little bit about me, but more importantly, the majority of it is super sick B. Terry Custom stuff like this. All the stuff you've seen me wearing the last couple of weeks have been samples that I've ordered from my print provider. But finally, we're ready and the shop is open, and I placed an order on the shop and paid full price, which you guys won't have to. And I paid full price to get this one just to see how the system worked and to test everything out. So without further ado, let's open it up. If you like the colorway that I have on right now, this is available on bterrycustoms.com. It is the black in the OG center logo style hoodie under the hoodies and sweatshirts section. Go check it out and cop one for yourself. If you do go check out my website, make sure you use code 2025 and you'll save 10% off. Let's open this up. We've ordered a couple hoodies along the way, but this looks like it is gonna be first crew neck, and I went with the OG gray on a basic athletic gray here. This is gonna be great for the gym. So the hoodie, I've upgraded it since the original hoodies, and I went with the Gildan soft style. Hoodie is like the default hoodie now. It's gonna shrink a little bit, so if you're kind of in between sizes, make sure you do go with that size up. I'm a pretty true large for reference. Here in the crew necks are Gildan Dry Blend. I love the Gildan Dry Blend, and I love how they look on me, so that's why I made them like this. I hope you guys like it as well. The merch store, there is two variations. There's all the colorways that I think would look good with a OG gray logo, and then there's all the colorways that I think would look good with a white B. Terry Customs logo. Now that being said, there is a limited edition section. You can have hoodies and shirts and other things that incorporate different color random logos. And when I say random, maybe it's a yellow logo, maybe it's a Steelers color logo, maybe it's a pink logo. There's just cool mix and match stuff in that section that I think is really cool and interesting. Let's try it on. It fits exactly how I imagined it would. It's a little bit wrinkled right now, but it looks pretty good. The crew necks are dope, and honestly one of my favorite pieces. I've been wearing a lot more crew necks lately. If you're interested in that hoodie or this crew neck or any of the other cool B. Terry Customs merchandise you might be seeing here on the screen as I'm saying this, go to bterrycustoms.com, support the channel, and go buy something. But to start the new year, I'm doing 10% off the entire website if you use code 2025, that is code 2025. Go get some on B. Terry Customs. Thank you guys as always for supporting. I hope you guys like the new merch, and I hope you guys like the new website, and make sure you guys stay tuned for some of the new stuff that we're gonna be dropping in the future. We've got a golf line coming this summer and a gym line coming this spring. Super excited to drop all that stuff. Stay tuned, follow B. Terry Customs, like this video, and go buy some merch on the website. Go to the website and comment down below a colorway you think would look really good as a limited edition colorway that I don't currently have on the website.